The logging sector has been thrust into the spotlight with Thursday's cabinet outreach to Region 10. During a meeting in Linden, His Excellency Dr. Mohammed Irfan Ali announced that his administration will be constructing 1,000 homes in the mining town. The region's resources, namely timber, will be used for the project, which will create job opportunities for residents.
We're looking as far as possible to get the material from Linden itself, to get you engaged. So if we have the lumber yards and the sawmills, right, and the block bakers and so on, the Minister of Housing and his team will be coming to engage the young people, women, to see how we can bring people together into groups. If you have masons, if you have carpenters, and if you don't have the capacity, we will try very quickly to train persons also, bring in the technical people and engage you in the construction of these homes.
The head of state was accompanied by Minister of Natural Resources, the Honorable Vikram Bharat, who highlighted the administration's dedication to the logging sector. Minister Bharat said the sector will see growth through the ongoing works to establish the Kukwani to Oriala Road. This road link will facilitate the seamless movement of timber in and out of the region. The downside of the sector, mainly illegal logging, was addressed and the minister issued a call for compliance with the country's laws.
When we have illegal logging, illegal mining, it takes away a lot of revenue from the country. It creates unfair competition to you because a contractor will go and purchase illegal lumber at a cheaper rate rather than purchasing from you because you're paying your royalties, you're paying all your taxes and everything. They can afford to sell cheaper because they're paying nothing. So you need to help us. You need to work with us to ensure that we can curb this trend.
Meanwhile, over at the community engagement at Mile 58, residents of Mile 47, Mile 48 and Mabura Hill raised concerns about the depletion of the most economical species of wood in their concessions. There, Minister within the Ministry of Public Works, the Honorable Deodat Indar, provided guidance on the way forward. Minister Indar advised residents to unite and submit an application for a logging concession that they have identified. He said the Ministry of Natural Resources would be consulted on their issues. In Aichuni and Jeep Landing, loggers and their employers were advised to adhere to the laws and guidelines on occupational safety. Labour Minister, the Honourable Joseph Hamilton, warned that the sector may be faced with casualties if malpractices are not curbed to safeguard employees.
Since I'm minister, they have already had, in 5 months, 7 deaths in the mining industry. 7. All told, 12 deaths. 7 in mining and 5 in construction. We have to bring that to an end, and therefore we have to engage and teach people in the forestry sector, in the mining sector, in construction and whatever, how to work safely.
The minister pledged to appoint 2 occupational safety and health officers for the region. One person will be stationed in Kukwani and the other in Linden. These appointments will help to boost health and safety within both the logging and mining sectors. Since assuming office, the PPPC administration has removed taxes to incentivize the logging sector. The most notable tax rollback included the removal of VAT and duties on machinery and equipment for not only those making a living in the forestry sector, but mining, agriculture, and manufacturing as well. Additionally, there has been a change in policy to permit sawmillers without logging concessions to export logs. When the President made the announcement of these incentives among a vast list of budgetary measures, the head of state said it was designed to, quote, increase our productive capacity, to reduce the cost of doing business, to improve efficiency and facilitate the growth and development of businesses, end quote. The administration, through its manifesto, has promised to provide incentives to retool and expand the forestry sector. It also plans to promote the use of lesser known and lesser used species of wood and will provide support to expand and create new markets.